Welcome to the members area for the brand new Amasuite version 5. So I want to congratulate you for taking action and grabbing this software today. It's really going to help you with your Amazon business. Now my name is Dave Gwyndon. I am the designer developer of all of the software apps you find in here. And Chris Guthrie, he's the Amazon expert that does a lot of selling on Amazon as well as affiliate marketing for Amazon. So let me go ahead and show you around the members area and kind of get you quickly started and where to go. So as you can see here in the members area, all you have to do is just scroll down and you'll see these big little sort of button things, and these will take you to the different sections of where the software is located, as well as if you missed out on getting the upgrade licenses, you can go ahead and still take advantage of that. And then there's the training videos as well as our Facebook group. And you can see at the very top, you'll have access to all these different places by just using the menu at the very top. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you want to go to the software, you can find all the different software programs here. Just click on the one that you want to go to, and you'll have some information about the actual software, and then you'll have the download links. Now I do want to mention that the software is not a mobile app, so these are desktop software programs that work on a PC that is running Windows or a Mac computer. And you have the two different downloads here, and they're both their native programming language. So this is not built in Adobe Air or something like that. This is a native PC software and native Mac software. So all you have to do is go ahead and click the download and download to your computer. It's provided in a zip file. It's very easy to extract. If you need some more help on how to install, we provide these installation videos for each and every software, and we have 3 convenient ways for you to watch the videos on your computer. So you can actually just click the videos you can see here, and they should just come up on the screen and you can watch them right inside the members area. Or you can alternatively download the videos to your computer, and they're provided in a zip file, so extract them and you'll watch them on your computer. And they're provided in an MP4 format, which most computers will actually show. Or alternatively, let's say you're on your iPhone or your Android device, or maybe a tablet or something like that, you can also watch them on YouTube. So you click that, it'll take you on over to YouTube, and you can go ahead and watch the videos there. Now each video is provided like that for each software, so you can see all the different help videos for each software. But it's important to watch the help videos on how to install the software. It can be a little bit tricky sometimes for a Mac computer, because you may have some sort of little warning that comes up that says this is an unrecognized company or something like that. But those little things are easy to go around and just get the software installed. Just make sure to watch these installation videos to really learn how to do it. You can see all the different software programs here. Each and every one is the same. You can go ahead and download the PC version or the Mac version. Now for the training, you'll see we have 2 training courses, the Sellers Training Course and Affiliates Training Course. So if you just go on over to one of them there, you'll see that you got access to the videos online, so you can watch them within the web page here. Or you can download the video to your computer. There is some useful information for each video that's provided on the right hand side of each video here. It's good to read through that, click on the resource links, see all the little goodies that Chris Guthrie is putting there for you. We do have a bonuses section, so you can get access to the Ally Inspector bonus from the bonuses drop down, or the software drop down at the bottom there as well. We also have the Amasuite WordPress plugin which you can use, and we also have extra bonuses that we've stuck in here, and we have some archive bonuses from before, earlier versions of Amasuite that you also have access to. Again, if you want to get the outsource license, it is available at the very top here. And we do have an affiliate page that we're working on right now at the time of recording this video. But if you're interested in joining our affiliate team and promoting Amasuite, then you can earn commissions as an affiliate through our affiliate program. So go ahead and check that out and read the instructions on that page. Now if you need support, just go ahead and use the support link up here, and you can go check out our facts section. So in our facts section, you might find answer to your question here really quickly. If not, go ahead and click our support desk or our help desk, and it'll take you over here, and you can go ahead and create a new ticket, or you can go through the facts section on this page as well. So that's just a quick overview of inside your members area, and I just want to say welcome to the Amasuite team, and we're very excited to work with you. We really hope that you become successful on Amazon by using the Amasuite software. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.